Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yeah. And we're here with Tion and M24. Knock. Yes. So let's jump in tonight. We ain't got a time to waste. Let's see what the G them I say. Big up Tion, big up M24. Let's go.
Yo. Hello, it's the Glock. Knock. Peng ting wanna. Hello, it's the Glock. Knock. Who's there? But they wanna do shop. New here. What you gonna do? Stop. Who cares? You ain't gonna shoot that gun. You scared? Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna.
M24, real bro. Chill, bro. Peng ting wanna.
Hello, it's the Glock. Knock. Who's there? But they wanna do shop. New here. What you gonna do? Stop. Who cares? You ain't gonna shoot that gun. You scared? Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna. Even got a Yardie that wanna. Might take my Molly, get to the goodie. I might get freaky with it and a party. Stepped out Habsy, back to the lag. Broski still trying to score. You know I got love for my African girls, but I love me a Yardie.
Yard girl are the baddest bumbleclad girl. That's why I don't love on a Yardie. Cause Jamaican girl give it to one of the best. Yes. Them give it to me the best though. I know it.
Even got a Mali that wanna. Even got a Yardie that wanna. Might take my Molly, get to the goodie. I might get freaky with it and a party. Stepped out Habsy, back to the lag. Broski still trying to score. You know I got love for my African girls, but I love me a Yardie. And I got one from the States with Nyashi, a real bad B like Cardi B. You ain't gonna beat that shit, you're scared. I bet you won't act like that in the flesh. And I feel like Sterling causing pressure. I went round them sides, you know the rest. I got so much gal obsessed. What do you expect? Look at my neck, look at my wrist. Look how it lit me, then I'm a big bag, got niggas depressed. What the fuck have you done? Don't lie, when your body get bun. Don't cry, take a look at that. Take a look at that bum. Oh my, weapon in the right, cause eye for eye. Never eye bro, head down to the nine. Talk inside, he can slide anytime. I ain't got time to reply to bitch niggas. Aye, up tryna claim their big heads, but they scientists are burnt for 6 figures. So she wanna chill with the big boys.
Yo, that
I'm tryna claim their big heads, but they scientists are burnt for 6 figures. So she wanna chill.
That's Jada Kingdom, right? Isn't this Jada Kingdom? Please tell me I'm going
with the big boys. Let me come chill with rich niggas. Racks on the crib, let's renovate up. When I want pop, man, it's heavyweight. Beat on my up streams all last year. I'm a manager, made more anyway. Hello, it's the Glock. Knock. Who's there? But they wanna do shop news. What you gonna do? Stop. Who cares? You ain't gonna shoot that gun. You scared? Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna. Even got a Yardie that wanna. I got Europeans singing my tunes. No cap. I got Asians singing my tunes. Even got an op singing my tunes. In jail I had a CM singing my tunes.
In jail I had a CM singing my tune. What's a CM? Does it mean a screw? Does it mean like a security? What's a CM, guys? Leave it in the comment section, please.
Even got a Yardie that wanna. I got Europeans singing my tunes. No cap. I got Asians singing my tunes. Even got an op singing my tunes. In jail I had a CM singing my tunes. There's no more room.
Obviously, we know say he done a bit of time behind bars for the M24. Please make it be a last, brother. Don't go back. Don't go back. Like you're a star now, bro. Like cut off certain life, me G. You see me? Yeah. Cut off certain life, me G. Yeah.
Dude, you can get plugged like fumes. Bad B, shit is wanna shake it, bend that back. Let's take that shit to the room. How the man got shot off Pele? Sorry. All these streams now I'm on tele. So when I back my shank like they're like kill on Shelley. I was in JA Tivoli Gardens, crocodile teeth on the rifle sounds. Bang so.
Yeah, the man saying me there? JA Jamaica Tivoli Gardens, one of the baddest garrisons them in Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, crocodile teeth on the rifle sound, bro. No joke.
Man got shot off Pele. Sorry. All these streams now I'm on tele. So when I back my shank like they're like kill on Shelley. I was in JA Tivoli Gardens, crocodile teeth on the rifle sounds. Bang so hard I was shitting myself. Cause I thought he was dead on the ground. Hello, it's the Glock. Knock. Who's there?
That girl is Jada.
What do you wanna do? Shop news. What you gonna do? Stop. Who cares? You ain't gonna shoot that gun. You scared? Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna. Even
Jada Kingdom, that blood clot. The girl that Jada Kingdom.
Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna.
I'm sure that's Jada Kingdom. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm 100% sure that's Jada Kingdom from this tattoo here. Yeah, that's Jada Kingdom.
Even got a yardie that wanna. Hello, it's the Glock, knock. Peng ting wanna. What you gonna do? Stop. Got an African girl that wanna. Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna. Even got a yardie that wanna. Hello, it's the Glock, knock. Who's there? But they wanna do shop, who's here? What you gonna do? Stop. Who cares? You ain't gonna shoot that gun, you scared. Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna. Even got a yardie that wanna.
Great collab. Great video. Yeah, them nice on the video too. Great collab. Yeah, them nice on the video too. But I'm pretty sure that is Jada Kingdom. If I'm wrong, like I'm just checking through the comment section now to see if anybody said Jada Kingdom, but I don't know. But I'm quite sure that's Jada Kingdom. I'm sure that's Mama heavy. But that was a banger though. That was a banger, no joke. Let me just check Jada Kingdom Instagram quickly, because if it is not Jada, I'm sorry. Jada Kingdom, Twinkle, is that you, Twinkle? Yes, that's Twinkle. Yes, definitely Jada Kingdom. Oh, definitely Jada Kingdom. Yep. Make sure it's the Jada Kingdom, that. Pretty sure. She have a tattoo on her hand as well. Sorry guys, I'm just doing my investigation right, I'm pretty sure that's Jada Kingdom. Is Jada Kingdom have a tattoo like that? Hell yeah, that's Jada Kingdom. Yep. You know me right, man. Big up myself, Jada. Yep. Hot girl. But yeah, guys. This is how I'm gonna leave the one. If you enjoyed that one, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you want to see the next one. You hear that? Big up yourself, right back up on shelf outside.